Question. Indian Partnership Act was enacted in option A 1932, option B 1948, option C 1956, option D 1964. Answer option A 1932. Principle of indemnity is not applicable to option A life insurance, option B marine insurance, option C fire insurance, option D all of these. Answer option A life insurance. Question. On payment of insurance policy, the insurer is put to the shoes of the insured. Option A mitigation of loss, option B subrogation, option C causa proxima, option D contribution. Answer option B subrogation. Question. Bancassurance is the insurance product of option A LIC, option B private insurance companies, option C banks, option D none of these. Answer option C banks. In India, the whole life insurance business is administered by option A LIC, option B IRDA, option C RBI, option D none of these. The law of diminishing marginal utility was first stated by option A H. Gosen, option B J.R. Hicks, option C J.B. Say, option D Marshall. Answer option A H. Gosen. Under perfect competition, short-run equilibrium of a firm will be options A MC equal to MR, option B MC less than MR, option C MC greater than MR, option D none of these. Answer option A MC equal to MR. The shape of demand curve is option A upper sloping curve from right to left, option B down sloping curve from right to left, option C down sloping curve from left to right, option D upper sloping curve from left to right. Answer option C down sloping curve from left to right. The silent features of Indian economy are option A predominance of agriculture, option B rapid growth of population and unemployment, option C low per capita income and capital scarcity, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. Question. Which industry is the second largest provider of employment in India after agriculture? Option A textiles, option B chemicals, option C transports, option D iron and steel. Answer option A textiles. Stepping into a line bus creates option A valid contract, option B void contract, option C voidable contract, option D unenforceable contract. Answer option A valid contract. Pledge is a part of option A consignment, option B bailment, option C partnership, option D lease. Answer option B bailment. General lien is available for option A banker, option B bailer, option C tailor, option D none of these. Answer option A banker. A minor cannot be A or an option A agent, option B partner, option C payee, option D none of these. Answer option B partner. Question. An agreement in restraint of the marriage of a minor is option A void, option B voidable, option C valid, option D illegal. Answer option C valid.